What is an RJ45 connector? RJ45 stands for Registered Jack 45. It is an 8-pin connector typically used for connecting Ethernet cables in networking environments. An RJ45 connector is a common type of connector used for network cabling, specifically for Ethernet networking. Here's a detailed overview of RJ45 connectors and their usage. Usage of RJ45 connectors. Ethernet networking. RJ45 connectors are primarily used for Ethernet networking, connecting computers, switches, routers, and other network devices. Common Ethernet cable types that use RJ45 connectors include Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat7 cables. Advantages of RJ45 connectors. Reliability: provides stable and consistent network connections. Speed: supports high-speed data transfer, suitable for gigabit and multi-gigabit Ethernet. Versatility: used in various networking environments, from home networks to large data centers. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tech Visual.